How to manage and edit text size on Opera Mini. Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the text size on Opera easily. First thing, go to Opera Mini. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Click here, click here and click settings. Now after you click settings, scroll down until you find the page layout option. Click on it and click on text size and choose if you want it small or large or medium. It's very easy and fast. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.